To be fair, all of this bit's quite flat, so for the time being I'll record it just because why not. So we're in Sheerness, just in case anybody that's watching wants to know. We're in Sheerness, and this part of the island, because it's a little island of Sheppey, is Minster, and it's a pebble beach. Unfortunately, it's got lots of concrete and like rusty cars and stuff like that, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, trying to find a good place to start to climb up this is a bit tricky because it's very lumpy, bumpy ground. But I think once we find a nice solid bit to start going up, I think we'll be alright. I mean, look at the rubbish. Come on guys, pick up your mess when you're finished. There's no need to leave it lying around. It's all about leave no trace. Hashtag it, people. Although I saw back there on the beach that there was a sign. I did take a picture of it. I'll have to flash. What it said: take your litter home. Only leave footprints on the beach, I think it said. Which in itself is quite a good saying. So, right. I think we're gonna head for this bit right here. Head for that, and then we'll be going upwards. So yeah. Right, well, I just put the camera away for a minute because there was a group of lads having a little fire and food and stuff on the beach, and they didn't want to be seen. So I thought it'd be nice enough to turn the camera off for a minute. And guess what? It's brought me back down to the beach. So yeah, I'm going to walk around and I'm going to start my climb. And it should be interesting. Don't look too bad. Famous last words. Right, that's the way I'm going up. So I will keep you videoing for as long as I can, and then yeah, I might have to put you away for a little while because I don't particularly want to damage or lose my phone. So that's the score. But this cliff has been receding for years. Every year we come up here, we attempt to climb it. Normally we would succeed, but every year it changes because it's always collapsing on itself. So yeah, good fun. But we're going upwards now, so sorry for my heavy breathing. It's been a long day and it's very hot. Let's put it this way. I need to get a bit fitter. Right. See, this bit looks fun. That way. I'm gonna go that way. That way looks easier, but this way looks like it's going to get me up to there a lot faster. But I'm going to have to put you guys away, I think. I don't know. I think we might try and risk it. Got to this far, now I've got to get up there. Whew. we're going for it. We'll leave it live. Well, streaming, recording, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. Sorry guys, we're fine. Right, walking through this bit's a bit dodgy because there's a bit of cracks everywhere. And that's what just happened, I just slipped. But I'm alright. I'm going up for the next bit now. Oh, God, we're coming up at the top. Almost there. Oh, I'm there. That's it. Done. Beat them as well, look. 5 minutes. Look. That's it. Well guys, love you and leave ya.
This is behind the scenes of Dan Outdoors. So Dan, you made it up the cliff. How do you feel, mate?
Yeah, bad.
Yeah? You're a bit tired?
I've got my breath back.
Yeah. How's it like the Mish?
I was a little bit tired when I got up there. But yeah, I'm good.
It's up and down a little bit.